Hi everyone, my name is Ashley, one of the owners at CS Vita Inc., a fleet management company that manages and owns over 70 vehicles spanning across San Diego, Hawaii, and Florida. Just 1 year ago, we were so in over our head with operations. From answering over 300 guest messages per day, answering basic questions, to contacting Turo support, and dealing with every claim on our own. We were so overwhelmed, it felt like we could never put our phones down. This year, we're on track to complete over 5,000 rentals, and I can honestly say that it's never been so much fun. After 6 years figuring out these systems for ourselves, we realized that we could help hundreds of Turo hosts scale their business without all the stress. With FleetSnap Concierge, your personal virtual assistant checks your entire inbox 3 times per day. They respond in your voice and only flag key issues for you when your attention is truly needed. Your FleetSnap VA handles routine guest messages, interfaces with Turo support, and collects professional damage estimates using AI damage detection technology that can speed up your claims process. Using these systems has been life-changing for us. These systems let us free up 40 hours or more per month so we could stop doing tech support and get back to focusing on scaling our business.